Okay, so another example of if. This one is used this is straight from the MATLAB help documentation, but this is kind of more complicated, and we use nested for loops and a complex if statement to build a matrix. So let's just run it, and then we can talk about what's going on. So we made this little, so you see over here there's this graphic has three different colors in it, and so the main diagonal is red, then the two off diagonal element zones are dark blue, and then the rest is this light blue. Now if you click on this particular little tool on the MATLAB figures, you can interrogate. So if we click here, for example, you see, okay, x is 1, y is 1, and the value of in there is 2. Now if we click, let's say on this one, we say y2 or x2, y3 minus 1. Okay, and then let's click on this one. Okay, these guys are equal to 0. So now let's pop over to the script where we are using this. So first we pre-allocate, so that just means make my data, the matrix we're going to work with, make it a 10 by 10 matrix, and just fill it with ones to begin with. Now we're going to loop through the matrix, and so you see the R is the index for the rows, and C is going to be the index for the columns. And so we go and for each row, then we go into each column, and we say, all right, well, if the row number is equal to the column number, that means we're on the main diagonal, and so set that particular part of the matrix to 2. And so if you click here, you say, oh, okay, that they're equal, so that value is 2. Now the next one says if the absolute value, that's what this abs is, of the row minus the column position equals 1, then give that particular position in the matrix a value of -1. So that's what these dark blue guys are. So you see here 2, 3, so that would be a -1, but it's the absolute value. If I click on this side, 4, 3, that's when they're subtracted, that's 1. So those are the -1s, and then the rest then is just filled with zeros. And we loop through the whole thing, and I'm using this ImageSC command to display that matrix.